All right, who wants to have some fun? Actually, this repair is not as bad as you think. We are working on a Toyota Sienna, and I have all the links in the description below if you want to get this exact part and check out the parts that I'm using. So taking a look inside, you can see it's motorized, and it also has a defrost feature. That's those two wires up top. So because there's an electrical connection in here, we have to open up the door panel. Right here is a little plastic cover. You need to pop that off and then take out the screw. Now, I guess I didn't hit record on that part, but if you just yank up like this, you're going to pop this whole part off and open. You see those turquoise rivets? Those are the parts you're pulling out. If you happen to break them, you can just go to like AutoZone and buy new ones. Now with the panel open, we can release this wired connection. Push on the tab and pull it. There's the tab right there that you need to push. So you can pop this off up at the top. You see that white rivet there? That tab at the bottom is going to be locked in. So just pry it off at the top and the bottom will come out on its own. Next, I'm using a 1332 socket. Take off these three nuts. And now it's out. This is a replacement mirror I got. Make sure you're buying the right one. There's left and right. And this is an exact match. So with the mirror, they give you some adhesive foam. You need to put it around like this. Take off these bolt caps, throw them away. Reconnect the wiring. Attaching the top of this panel on can be difficult, so I'm using paint sticks and applying leverage. So I can push down and pull it over. And I work my way from left to right till the whole thing snaps right back in place. Then you can hit these rivets back in place. Put the screw back in and the cover on. And that's it. If you have questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer. All links are in the description below. I will see you next time for more repairs and home stuff. This is AdamDIY. Take care.